and quadratic functions. If you have a quadratic equation, this is an equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, such that a is not equal to 0. In this case here, you have a quadratic equation. We're also assuming that a, b, and c are elements of the real numbers. A quadratic function is f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. Again, a is not equal to 0, and a, b, and c are all going to be elements of the real numbers. Now, the difference between these two is, first of all, a quadratic equation only has one variable on it. So the answer and the solution for this lies on a single number line, and you have the potential for 2, 1, or 0 answers. And we'll talk about that later when we look at the discriminant. In a quadratic function, we are now looking at its graph on a coordinate plane. And this will always be in the form of a parabola. Now, this parabola has some properties to it, but it will either face up, this parabola will face down. It'll never face side to side, because then it won't be a function, because it won't pass the vertical line test. You're going to look at both of these types in this section.